Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Ethereum update for 24 June. And right now Ethereum is actually kind of in the mood of breaking out to the upside, and the next technical target is of course gonna be up here to 1560, 1550, and that's amazing. That's really amazing. Okay, so if you do actually put it out like this, that's gonna be like 36% to the upside, and a stop should be placed down here nearly the 1080, and that's gonna be like 5.7% risk. So if you do come down to the 1080, 1079, then I think that's really bad. That's really bad, because you're gonna be putting something really bad. So all you do is you take the top here to the bottom of the measurements. From wherever you're breaking out, boom, you're looking to actually come to the 1570s price level. Now you see Bitcoin also has already almost making a confirmation of a breakout. Just watch the Bitcoin update if you want to for a detailed explanation of what's happening. So look at it this way. This is for the very first time you're really above the trend line right here, ever since 14th of June. Ever for the past 10 days you haven't done this, so that's amazing. That's really good. It seems like this is for the first time in a while the weekend is not going to dump to the downside. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.